Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Bernie, Finery Philosophy. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and on feet look of the Nike VaporWaffle Sacais. I actually have both the black and the sale colorway because my boyfriend actually got a double dub on the Nike sneakers app. He got my size in the men's 6, which is a women's 7.5 in Nike sizing. And then he got his size 9 men's. I would say these shoes fit pretty true to size. He sent me this screenshot. Has that ever happened to you where you get a double dub on 2 different colorways of the same exact shoe on the same drop day? Please let me know in the comments down below because that was pretty cool and that was my first time seeing it and I wasn't expecting Roger to score on these shoes because I believe both of them are very limited. The resale, especially for the sale colorway, is so expensive. Like in my size it's about $400 or $500. The even smaller sizes are going for over 600 plus. So yeah, I'm super grateful. Roger goes, I prefer your colorway better, but I think the black ones are more fitting to him. Like, it suits him better. There's so many reviews on these shoes already. I just want to give you guys my thoughts. We had multiple previews on both of these shoes for over a year now and they finally released. They're called the Nike VaporWaffle because the soles, they resemble waffles. This one is very low-key. I like the look of this. One of the reviewers on YouTube said that they look kind of stealthy, like ninja-like, and I totally agree. These, they look more New Balance like, kind of like that Balenciaga Triple S, you know, that chunky look. And of course they both have these in the back that open, I don't even know what you call that. It's very interesting. I mean, how would you describe that? It's very fluid. Something that I didn't expect, particularly in the sale colorway, the print of the Nike Sacai is kind of splotchy. So as you can see, the letters, very splotchy, right? It's not stamped on like a speckled type. There's suede, an imprint of that swoosh that goes all the way to here. It's like paint. And then leather right here, leather trims. We got the swoosh in the back. Nylon material. Inside, the size sticker. We have the double tongues. They originally come in these double laces. The top layer is a ribbon-like material. And then underneath that is like a flat, wide cotton material. They do come with extra laces. They came with these round rope style laces. Same with the black ones, they're extra pairs. And now we move on to me wearing the shoes with wider leg, wider ankle bottoms, and some leggings. So like a very distressed look and a very pulled back look. Those type of things actually matter, especially in the sneaker community. You will see people making like do's and don'ts of how to wear certain shoes or what pants you can wear them with. Anyway, it's very interesting. I'm not gonna resell these shoes. I'm keeping them. They're cute and they're very special to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I don't really have a niche right now. There's just so many things that I want to show you guys. This is more like a fashion content channel. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the Nike Sacai VaporWaffle. That was a mouthful. Oh my god. Oh, I literally just charged my gimbal and it lied to me. It said it was almost full battery. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit.